I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're at Trinity International University in Deerfield, Illinois, and we're going to be raising a lot of concrete here that is causing various issues, including trip hazards, water pitch issues, water collecting in areas, just creating unsafe conditions. And you know, most of the concrete we're raising here today has been raised previously by other companies utilizing an old mudjacking technology. And you know, aside from the mudjacking technology being more of a temporary repair where the concrete typically ends up sinking again, other problems actually occur, including with the patches where they inject the wet slurry. Those patches fail, and they fail pretty badly. We have some really good examples that I want to show you right now. As you can see here, this sidewalk has been raised before with old mudjacking material, and the patches have failed. The holes are open all the way to the bottom side of the concrete. The patch is completely gone. And you know, if you're coming through here with high heels, you know, women are definitely subject to a dangerous condition. A high heel could get caught in one of these holes and do a real number on somebody's ankle. So we're going to be raising concrete here today with polyurethane, which has very small injection holes compared to these old mudjacking patches that will stand up to the test of time. We're going to show you some more locations now. Here's another location that has been mudjacked before, and you can see the large hole from the old mudjacking job that is busted out and crumbled away. So we're going to raise this stoop back up to a proper pitch, which has dropped considerably. It has dropped probably about 5 inches in the front. So we're going to go ahead and raise this now and get it back up to where it's supposed to be. Okay, we're all done here at Trinity International University. We've corrected pitch issues, we've stabilized concrete that had nothing underneath it, and we have eliminated trip hazards here. And you know, another question that we sometimes get asked is, are there different kinds of polyurethane? And there definitely is. There's residential grade, there's commercial grade, there's tollway grade, and then there's even foams for other specific uses like stabilizing concrete, which is intended to fill voids and support concrete without lifting it. So one thing we like to let people know is it doesn't matter what project we're on, whether it's residential or commercial, we always use a commercial grade polyurethane. So for you residential customers out there, you can know and be reassured that you're getting a polyurethane that is actually rated for concrete that is much larger and much heavier than anything we're going to be finding at a residential location. So hope you find that useful. Thanks a lot for watching.